Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online video gaming platform known as FunSort. Is FunSort a legitimate gaming app or just another scam gaming app? In this video tutorial, I am going to be revealing to you guys every single thing you need to know about this very game known as FunSort. All you need to do is to come down and watch this video from the beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video you are going to find out if this very game is actually real or just another scam game in disguise. Okay, all you need to do is to calm yourself down and watch this video from beginning to the end. Okay, but before proceed with this video guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky. What I do here on my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas, and updates here on my channel on daily basis. If you are coming across my channel for the first time or you are hearing my voice for the first time, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new update like this. And then if you enjoy videos like this and you want more updates, you can check the link in the comment section of this video below to join my WhatsApp group. So let's get started. But before we start, I would love to lay a clear disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for review and educational purpose only and not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice or guarantee any result. So therefore, you are always advised to make your own research and verify the authenticity of any platform before using them. So in this video tutorial, I'll be talking about what is FunSort all about and how does it work and how can one play the game and what are the purposes of this very platform and how can one initiate withdrawal on this platform. Then we'll be talking about if this platform is actually real or fake. Is it legit or scam? All these things we are going to be covering in this video tutorial. So let's dive into the business. So what is FunSort all about? FunSort is basically a dual purpose gaming platform where one can either play game for purpose of entertainment or for the purpose of getting reward. So this is basically a dual purpose video gaming application that allows one to play game for fun or for reward. So it depends on the reason why one is playing them. So this is basically a dual purpose platform. Do you understand? So it depends on the reason why you are using it. Some people use it just for fun. If you are the type that like playing games, you are the type that like video games a lot, then this is video game. And then if you are the type that love to play to earn, then this is also play to earn. So this very platform is combined or is consists of two things together. But in this video, we are going to be finding out if it is real or just another time wasting in disguise. All right, so how does it work? Like I've explained earlier, this platform is a dual purpose platform. It depends on the reason why one is using it. So how can one play the game? To play the game, you click on start button. So how do you play the game? So this is how to play the game. What you are sorting here is these colors. These colored coins is what you are sorting. Where you see green, you try to bring green there. Do you understand? Where you see brown, you try to bring brown there. So when you tap there, it will automatically appear to that place. So you can see. So that is what we known by this. That's why it's called FunSort. So that's how the game is being played. So you can see I'm currently playing the game. So that's how to play the game. Just like that. That's how you continue to play it until you win. Then this places that is showing you locked to unlock them, what you need to do is to tap on it. For you to also get more slot, then you have to also watch ad. Do you understand? And also press on deal. So you can also click on deal. So when you click on deal, you start afresh. Do you understand? Or when you click on deal, it's also going to bring you more of the this thing. So you can see. So that is how to play the game. You can see that I have just won this level now, as you can see. So that's how the game is being played. Okay, now that I have finished explaining how the game is being played, this is now the entertainment aspect. If you are using it for entertainment, this is how the game is being played, and then you can play it to any level of your choice. Now, talking about the reward aspect, we are going to talk about the reward aspect now. What is the reward aspect? The reward aspect is the other part of the game which claims that when user play the game, that they may earn reward while playing the game, and that is where we will find out if they are legit or scam. Now, how does the reward aspect work? Let's say one is using this game for reward purposes. There are some certain things he or she need to do to also accumulate more, such as the medal. So when you click on the medal, you also see some certain things there. You also see task, the things you need to do to also claim the green notes and also the coins. And then another one is the golden egg. So when you click on the golden egg, is also by smashing the golden egg. So you also smash it to open it for green notes and coins. And another one is also by task. You can do task. So these are the activities one can also carry out on the platform to accumulate the coin and the green note. Another way is through playing the game. Now, when you take a look at the balance, we have the green note and we have the coin balance. These are the points and the note one may accumulate while playing the game. Now, it's not all about accumulating it. The question here is, will you be paid after accumulating it? These are the questions we are supposed to be asking ourselves, and that brings us to the reality of the legitimacy of this platform, whether they're legit or scam. So that is the question. So is this platform legit or scam? Well, according to my personal experiences, investigation, test and usage as the time I was making this video, no one has reportedly been scammed by this platform as the time I was making this video. Reason being that this is basically a dual purpose gaming app, so it depends on the reason one is using them. Now, if you are using this game for entertainment, for fun, you are the type that like playing videos, then it is real. This is a video game. But if you are using it for reward aspect, here are the things you need to take note of. One need to complete their requirement. And what are their requirements? Their requirements are their minimum withdrawal. This is basically the only requirement attached to it as the time I was making this video. That simply means that no one will be able to take out any coins or any green note from this platform unless you have successfully performed their task and completed the minimum withdrawal. So this is the only requirement attached to it as the time I was making this video. So that means that if one is using this game for reward purposes, it has a requirement, and if you are using it for entertainment purposes, it doesn't have requirements. And then what are the requirements for reward aspect? The requirement for reward aspect is completing their minimum withdrawal and performing their task. So these are the requirements as the time I was making this video. So in conclusion, as the time I was making this video, this video game has been confirmed real and currently keeping to their promise by allowing people play their games and have fun on their platform, and also those who use it for reward, those who are able to complete their minimum withdrawal and the rest of them. So that is exactly how the thing is. So have you tested this game before, and what are your own personal experiences? Did you use it for reward purposes, or did you use it for side hustling purposes? You can also share your own opinion, your own thoughts and experiences in the comment section of this video below. And then don't forget, there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with friends and family, and may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you, and remain sparky.